here with an urgent bill. What has happened to that anti-LGBT? You told Ghanaians that you are against this surge of LGBT. You would enact a law. Now we see people kissing at Independence Square, and it is on social media. Men are practicing it, and it's all over. Mr. Speaker, we are not seeing urgency there. Mr. Speaker, this is the same government in opposition talking about this law, and then the only urgent bill the Minister of Interior brings is that he wants to now amend the Holidays Act. Why?
There's a picture of them yomu kisi ewo Ghana ye akwase. But because yan so so yet me show that picture no. Sam rantiwe free o man Ghana mu ha. Omo ba so mko akotwa picture ewo ye akwase a omko e gayism e na wonum. Gayism e na omko ye o aknase e kisi enye kisi nketwa. Mema mienu o kantiwa mienu we. Sabe makanti kam ye anyway. E kisi den.
I was in a video be trendy and we are also been there as I'm sure here the big smikra ama into kwa SC or the Parliament House. I said no work I say honorable some media that the two channel baby ye wuni na any a man team you know ya woman ya Ghana from over PM and what my Ghana will not be could declare independence no ya me independence square ho and I'm not take what could for near for new could try no a real china about in Funia a young mambo some editor of my Ghana too much GH. And when you go so she must also make a shabbat much not the bell account said when I upload it to the first person ya was a bit kind of can ebusia say a boy a day Ryan sim made him so my Ghana de chiwa dear bako they say what ban or baby shimuna and asabema any bema a beshiana ya mamre any a briar body in a cassette sandy when it crazy say besha a briar baba swabane a idea back on your phone in a air cassa edit and it's through any NPP when you kuna now some job and an air champion paints in similar to Montesono and a baran for Ghana phone in a at woman edition honorable Sam George and right time you woman ya Ghana from the PMO and my Ghana more baby Juma and no some go PMO or Independence Square so woman could check pictures near a day. Nankin sending in and one more yellow. Womonya Ghana form yaman for the kibits me a ball minor cry at home minor and don't see my coin so moko side no ewo now one more check pictures no ne na one more than mo kama na send pictures na omo cha ne be kwa reach the back of how e dey abewo my Ghana and right say you no say na wo mo ye e reach the pictures a wo mo cha no be man ne nyonko be ma de wo no abom ewo Independence Square eno and na ama Ghana for bu afu ye pass okopiem ye Parliament House minority leader eye afenyo markets so akasa I didn't know too much. I said, a baby a chum you say now honorable Sam George. Any abbreya na work casaditas and ye will afraid about saying, and all by Bemnas and Yama will be Aposwa. Yet see any ye who say, and after markings, Eddie and similar to their fire our Parliament House.
Here with an urgent bill. What has happened to that anti-LGBT? You told Ghanaians that you are against this surge of LGBT. You would enact a law. Now we see people kissing at Independence Square, and it is on social media. Men are practicing it, and it's all over. Mr. Speaker, we are not seeing urgency there. Mr. Speaker, this is the same government in opposition talking about this law, and then the only urgent bill the Minister of Interior brings is that he wants to now amend the Holidays Act. Why? Mr. Speaker, no action on Galamsey. We were told that Galamsey will be tackled as a national emergency. Yes. We are telling you that there are other urgent matters that you need to bring to this house. Mr. Speaker, equally disturbing is government's failure to act decisively against illegal mining. The Galamsey menace that is ravaging our beloved country. In opposition, the NDC promised ruthless war against Galamsey. They campaign on protecting the environment, ending illegal mining, and even suggested they will introduce new laws. A possible galamsey ban bill, they spoke about it, or at least revoke policies that enable mining in protected areas. Ghanaians took them by their word, but in power, these promises are proving to be mere rhetoric. To date, the government has not introduced any comprehensive legislation to outlaw or severely restrict illegal mining. There is no galamsey ban bill before this house. Despite the crisis of poisoned rivers and destroyed forests, Mr. Speaker, even more egregiously, the government has refused to repeal the law. There is no repeal. The legislative instrument 2462, which they promised to repeal, has still not come to this house. Mr. Speaker, so I am questioning whether or not government is acting in good faith. What is so urgent about this bill? Mr. Speaker, I'll give you another one. They promise the domestic workers bill. They promise property rights of spouses bill. They promise a new scholarship scheme law. Mr. Speaker, all of these have not featured.
Etabusia abra honorable afenya markets den nsemi etudwane ononko a esan se we no eye achiwade obo man na wo man Ghana yes so nti Ghana for do na na wo mani abrewo Adom TV so almost making reactions to that video na trend the say na almost some common some no esify
Boss Abrantie we. There's a picture of them your mu kisi e Ghana ye akwase. But because yan so sani so yet we show that picture no. Sam Rantiwe free o my Ghana mu ha. Omo ba so mko akotwa picture e wo ye akwase a omko G13 e na wo no. G13 e na omko ye o aknase kisi enye kisi nketwa. Mema mienu o kantima mienu we. Sabe ma kantika mienu we. Kisi den. Kofi Ochidakwe, Director of the Diaspora. Kofi, good morning.
G13, Marcia, Mia.
Na dia ne ba ya obi etimi abaye mamu akogina ba bia ye gia ye fa hodie na afi de ho na ye bo G13 brai dia ne see
No pay me who sound for a friend saying Instagram. Na dia ba me chimney say be on say o make a statement be. And now say wo say wo mo ye bibi mo bia ho o mo kan wasem. Na no kwasem ni say eye Independence Monument hono. Even though I always near kwakwa photo, you need permission before you do so. Okay. Security for hono mo be ka say na security for ne ho na wo ko bisa so permission. Now the photo on the permission no, because it's one of the things that also sell Ghana. When sure some can say ABI photo it's just a now on my kisi and abi bisa me who no just imagine kafra and my main counsel personally so we decided to obey gay and that's all yeah whatever you are and only a one which meaning fear for no them I can't want them. But to put it out in the public domain, I think it's very, very wrong because, an idea, I am for us as a mind. And see, many and young one pay.
Kofi, so as Director of Diaspora Affairs at the Presidency, when you are young, dear Namoya found.
I know pay my name is him, Nakasami office, I've been with you,
Omo da so omamu ana information just oboko.
Mean to mean because me even post the crown it didn't show who they are. It was just a random post of mema me 3 different pictures of Mujina Independence Monument. But already you send them police for no said this on between Tracy uncle for yes idea.
Kofi afi na confess no akohwe mfimu de yenya ohadom ye besa ba nche
yo
enti ebusia sene some city no ne de aba besum na we no yesre Ghana for se bebia mpanifo na wasum de asam ne to no mo fanto ebi kra kire o madwene se wo man Ghana ye o man a saa nyema we yen so so ne wo mu se bill no ye nyam pass ye de na so emra wo hodeda etia saa ne ye we enu nti so metima bepiem wo Ghana ha de hwehwe mo ye bi hu ye hu mrante bi o mu free buy na punishment bi wo a ye form se be kwa na se wo man Ghana no ye mo mu bi ma eno ye hwe sɛ yɛde saa de no ɛbɛyɛ adwuma afei abra na NDC emba abam yi hu sɛnea na wɔn ani abra na wɔn champion asɔfo bebree na so ɛna na ɛkasa de tia saa ne yɛ ne kamea sɛ no yakɔ akɔyɛ din a yɛnte ho hwɛ sɛ bra so sɛ ade wei ɛtwi ne tini yɛahwɛ yɛ na ayɛ sɛ bɔɔla so gya no no phone saa na wɔm na afei aba bɛgye wɔn Ghana asɛm na ɛmɛ bi na na dɔdɔ akɔ kufa do ne nsɛm wɔ kan sɛ it is bound to happen no yɛahwɛ ne yɛ na ɛba bɛ happy ampe no ti Ghana fo ɛkyɛ sɛ saa de wei di ɛni kwan kra sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ soso so mɛsrɛ sɛ wɔn so wode wadwenkyerɛ ɛbɛto video yi ase ɛde ma me ɛyɛ too much GH ɛyɛ me subscribers no so na fa bell ne ka ho sɛ bɛyɛ na upload me to when the first person ya won sa ebedi kai akabi all the social media platforms okwa ɛyɛ too much GH wo subscribe no like no share na wonua bi so ɛnya bi ahwɛ da gold NMD makra
ye kono man makro ma ye nyi prebu wo kwan so wo lala odofo ede ne wo hawo ede ne wo dadwen yare be na aye kwanko a wo de chenchecheche a wonya no aduro ende na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ede ama eye Prophet Dr. Abednego ene da no
a wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awurade eyi no ama wiase se sunsum ya rebia aye okwanko Dr. Edikre wo and na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego akiri kwan wo insanwoma do akiri Oreku Liberty House adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576 na say 027-8977-215 introdo for kai se wo twiri bibi wo so na semba na bibi krem